What do you call a person who... So I thought we'll just take a quick break from etymology to show you how bad life can be. Here is a video about how you can go about reminding yourself of school and the way they make you, well, treat vocabulary like it's general knowledge. Vocabulary is not general knowledge, but if you just wanted to settle with the what part of the story, here are some what parts of the story. So what do you call a person who shoes a horse? Farrier, F-A-R-R-I-E-R, Rutlow. What do you call a person who fits glass into windows? Glazier, G-L-A-Z-I-E-R, Rutlow. What do you call a person who's a coal miner? Collier, C-O-L-L-I-E-R. Now, do you understand what I'm not doing? I'm not telling you how to learn these things. I'm just telling you the what and not the why. If you want to respect yourself as a student, please read the description below.